Have you ever wondered what it feels like to be part of something before it changes the world? Right now, we're standing on the edge of the greatest financial revolution in history. Bitcoin isn't just currency, it's rewriting the rules of wealth, power, and freedom. And here's the kicker: the revolution isn't waiting for anyone, it's happening now. Do you want to watch it pass you by? Or will you grab hold of the future? By the time this talk is over, you'll understand why Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's your chance to escape mediocrity and take control of your financial destiny. Don't miss it. The world is changing, and this is your opportunity to change with it. Bitcoin is the best performing assets of the past decade. Think about that for a moment. Not stock, not real estate, not even gold. It's Bitcoin. November alone saw Bitcoin surge 39%, building on a year where it's already up over 150%. Those aren't just random numbers. That's a clear signal that adoption is accelerating. People everywhere, ordinary folks, billion-dollar company, billion-dollar corporations, and even government are realizing Bitcoin potential. And the price? It's reflecting that momentum. Right now, Bitcoin sits around $95,000 per coin. The $100,000 milestone isn't just in sight, it's practically knocking on the door. But here's what most people don't understand: $100,000 isn't the peak, it's the beginning. Bitcoin value is tied to a simple, unchangeable fact. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. Ever. That scarcity combined with exploding demand create an equations that only leads in one direction, up. Think about this. Bitcoin is already replacing gold as the ultimate store of value. Gold is heavy, expensive to store, and difficult to move. Bitcoin? It's digital, borderless, and infinitely divisible. You can send it across the globe in seconds, and just for fractions of the cost of traditional banking. Gold has market cap of $15 trillion. Bitcoin is just over $1.9 trillion. When Bitcoin truly challenges gold, and it will, the price will leave today's level far behind. And that's just part of the story. For the first time, we're seeing pro-crypto administrations at the helm. Bitcoin's ETF are live. Regulations are evolving. And the barriers that once held Bitcoin back are disappearing. This isn't just happening in one country, it's a global movement. Governments are realizing Bitcoin isn't just a speculative asset, it's a tool for economic independence and innovation. Let's talk about what makes Bitcoins unstoppable. It's the most secure computer network in the world, powered by millions of miners spread across the globe. No single entity controlling it. No government can shut it down. This is what makes Bitcoins revolutionary. It's not just money, it's freedom. But what about volatility? Yes, Bitcoin price goes ups and down, and that scares some people. But here's the truth. Volatility is where opportunity lives. Every major dip in Bitcoin history has been followed by surge to a new all-time highs. It's not a flaw, it's a feature. Bitcoin trajectories has been clear since its inception, up and to the right. Now let's get real about inflation. In a world where central banks are printing trillions of dollars, traditional currencies are losing value every single day. Your dollars today is buy less tomorrow. Bitcoin fixed this. With a fixed supply and growing demand, it's the ultimate hedge against inflation. It's not just a store of value, it's the antidote to a broken financial system. What makes Bitcoin even more revolutionary is its accessibility. This isn't an asset reserved for the wealthy or the tech savvy. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. Now, whether you're in New York or a small village in Africa, Bitcoin offers the same opportunity. It's the great equalizer, breaking down barriers and bringing financial inclusions to millions who've been left behind by traditional system. So, where does Bitcoins go from here? Analysts are predicting $250,000 by 2025, with some saying even $1 million isn't far off. But let me ask you something. Would you rather wait for Bitcoins to prove everyone's right or take action whilst the opportunity is still in front of you? Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's a statement, a declaration that you believe in a better, fairer, freer financial system. And here's the thing, Bitcoin is more than just money. It's a movement, it's a revolution, and it's happening now. Every day, more people join the network, and every day the world wakes up to Bitcoin's potential. You're not late. Let me tell you that you are not late. You're right on time. The only things that stand between you and this opportunity is the decisions to act. So, if this talk has inspired you, don't wait. Join the journey. Take the first step. And if you want to stay connected, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insight into the future of Bitcoin. Guys, hold tight and stack it right. And I will see you in the next video pretty soon. Take care.